Okay, in this video, we are going to be solving multiplication equations and solving for a variable. So, same as the last video, we got to do the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. So, in this problem, we'll do 7w equals 28. So, if they know 7 times what equals 28, they can figure out what w is. But if it's a bigger problem, it's good to be able to know the other way to do it. And it's the same as the last video. You do the same thing to both sides to make w all by itself. So on this one, to solve for w, we have 7 times w. So we're gonna divide this side by 7. Because 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 1w is the same as just having w. So these are gonna cancel out. We have to do the same thing over here. So 28 divided by 7. And that'll give us w. So 28 divided by 7. 7 can go into 2 0 times, but 7 can go into 28 exactly 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. 0, nothing to bring down, so we're done. So now we know that w equals 4. And we can test this out. We can go back to the original problem. We can do 7 times 4 equals 28. And 7 times 4 does equal 28, so we know that this is true. Okay, we'll do one more problem, something a little bigger, where it makes a little more sense to use division to help you find your variable. Okay, let's do... Okay. So we have, 6q equals 108. So essentially what we have is we have 6 times q equals 108. So to get the q all by itself on this side, we are going to divide this side by 6. Then we have to do the same thing on this side, because 6 divided by 6 is 1, which is the same as having just a q. So this will go away. And we divide this other side by 6 to get q all by itself. Now, I don't know, my 6 is up to 108, so we're going to divide. This side is saying 108 divided by 6. So I have 108 divided by 6. 6 goes into 1 0 times, but 6 can go into 10 once. 1 times 6 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. And I bring down the 8. Now, how many times can 6 go into 48? 6 can go into 48 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 minus 48 is 0, and there's nothing else to bring down. So my answer is going to be 18. Q equals 18. And we can check this. We can do 6q and put in 18 for q. So 6 times, we'll do 18 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10, and we get 108 for our answer. So Q does equal 18. Okay, I hope this is an okay example for any of you having trouble with your homework. Let me know if there's any questions in the morning. All right, bye.